How to install Robinhood app. By diversifying your portfolio, the risk can be reduced, especially during recessionary periods such as bear markets where stocks tend to decline and lose value. Commodities tend to rise, and this would counter the loss of portfolio value. Commodities trend better than stocks not only on individual but also stock sectors and stock indexes. As such, they are a better long-term investment vehicle. Trends tend to last short-term, such as a few months to a few years. When the trend begins, it is very unlikely there will be sharp reversals or unpleasant surprise. Commodity markets have large liquidity. Not all stocks are liquid even if they look very attractive earnings-wise, but exiting can be a painful process. In commodities, all commodities traded are highly liquid. Commodities have been trading for more than a century. More than 90% of stocks come and go. None are changed anyway, so there is more reliability in backtesting than others instruments such as futures and stocks, where premiums change from one expiring contract to a new one, or stock splits. At tax time, profits from commodities pay lower taxes than profits from stocks. In addition, there is no need to itemize all the transactions line by line, where all stock transactions must be itemized. Long-term or short-term capital gains do not apply in commodities. Due to leverage, the gains can be spectacular, possibly many multiples of the original equity. For a small sum in the account, it is possible to more than double the account equity in a very short period of time. If the financial objective of the person is aggressive, where he has high tolerance for risk, then commodities may fit his personal tolerance for risk. With a small equity, he can use for high growth part of the entire diversified portfolio. If the investor is risk-averse, in which he is content with small return year to year, then commodities might not be the right investment. This list should not be considered final for any person to decide if he or she should trade commodities. There are many other factors and priorities, such as financial situation, time, and preparation of each person to commit before deciding. To effectively profit from any market, due diligence and preparedness is the method to obtain the desired objectives. Weigh each pro and con carefully and verify the arguments for oneself before committing hard-earned money to waste.